This mouse cost under $50, yet it's lighter than most Pro mice, faster than some Logitech models and powered by the same insane PAW3395 sensor. Meet the VXE R1 Pro Max, just 54 grams USB-C charging and up to 4000 Hz polling rate if you want it. But here's the twist, it doesn't just look good, it performs like a $150 mouse. Grip feels natural, no sharp edges. Clicks are crisp, the coating slightly textured, perfect for long sessions. And the glide is smooth, I honestly forgot it wasn't a premium brand mouse. It's not flawless, some users reported slight scroll wheel rattle. And while build quality is decent, side flex is possible if you press hand, but in real world use I didn't notice it. In games like Valorant or CS, the low latency is real, clicks feels instant, sensor tracking is accurate across the board. I was landing shots even without thinking about the mouse. Battery lasted me over a week with 1000 Hz. There's a software suite too, I barely needed it. Simple, powerful and reliable. The VXE R1 Pro Max is a performance-focused mouse for under $50. It's not hype, it's just smart design. Would you switch from your current mouse for this? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe.